In the name of our Lord, Allah Almighty, who is the most bountiful and merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected guest, honorable journalists, and members of civil society. Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is my constitution, guarantee of my freedoms. I never dream about success. I work for it. I am a woman. We all are entitled to human rights. These include the right to live free from violence and discrimination, to enjoy the highest attainable standards of physical and mental health, to own a property, to earn an equal wage. Unfortunately, across the world, many women still face discrimination on the basis of gender. This discrimination denies them the basic freedom and underpins several problems like domestic violence, lower wages, lack of access to education. Mr. President, women empowerment is when women have the freedom and choice to make their own decisions. It includes the right to freedom of opinion, which is absolute and can never be restricted. Mr. President, it belongs to all people, regardless of their identity, national identity, religion. It includes the right to seek, receive, and impart information. Respected audience, the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan provides equal rights, and the principles of policy provides also the equal rights to all citizens without any discrimination of caste, color, and creed. Let's say Article number 4 calls upon the state to eliminate all forms of exploitation and the exploitations of the rights of women. It means my constitution guarantees for the protection of all sorts of exploitation. Similarly, Article number 3 requires for the right of individual to enjoy the protection of law and to be treated in accordance with law. This applies to all citizens without any discrimination of caste, color, and creed. Article number 25 ensures equality before the law and the protection of law and state, that there shall be no discrimination on the basis of gender. Mr. President, Article 26 and 27 provide access to public places and the right of enrollment in public and private sector. Dear audience, here again, the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan gives us the right of employment for all women and the safe, secure work environment. Honorable respected guest, my constitution not only guarantees the right of vote for me, but also ensures my representation in the local and legislatures. As Article number 32 provides the preservation of seats of women in the local government, and the Article number 51 and 106 provide the preservation of seats in the legislatures. Mr. President, although the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan provides the freedom for women, it is very unfortunate to say that in many parts of the city, women still face discrimination. They have lower economic opportunities. They are confronted with violence and abuse. Dear audience, gender equality is as important as it prevents all the women against violence. Gender equality is a human right. Let's all honor and respect all the women in the society, whether they are your mother, sister, or daughter. Let's demonstrate our pride in their achievements. The whole world needs to acknowledge that. Human rights are women's rights. Women's rights are human's rights. Let us not forget, among those rights are the rights to be speak freely and to be heard. I thank you.